Auntie Shishi was frying eggplant in the kitchen. She was going to make a delicious Persian stew. Little Bahar was curious and she wanted to see. So she asked whether she could watch. Of course you can watch, sweetie, said Aunt Shishi. Just climb up the stool and watch with a distance because the oil is really hot and I don't want you to hurt yourself. So Little Bahar climbed up the stool. Auntie Shishi added a spoon of oil to the hot pan. The oil melted and it was hot. Then she added the eggplants. The eggplant swallowed all the oil all at once. I want more oil, Shishi. Auntie Shishi added another spoon of oil. The oil melted. The eggplant swallowed all the oil all at once. I want more oil, Shishi. So she added another spoon. And of course, the eggplants ate it all at once. I want more oil, Shishi. Oh my gosh. Not again. I want more oil. Okay, that's it. I am not giving you any more oil. But I am too dry. I want more oil, please. Nope, absolutely not. No more oil. Now it is your turn to make your frying eggplant. On a piece of paper, draw a circle and then draw a rectangle shape attached to the circle. This is going to be your frying pan. Cut this shape out. On another piece of paper, draw an oval shape. Inside your oval shape, draw 2 lines and some dots in between to show the seeds of the eggplant. And cut this shape out. Place your eggplant on top of a purple paper and trace it. Draw as shown. And cut this shape out too. Use a green paper and draw as shown. And cut this shape out too. It's time to glue your eggplant pieces all together to make it one beautiful eggplant. Don't forget to share your eggplant and frying pan. Be creative.